Understanding Toothbrush, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common, everyday object, the toothbrush. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and the role it plays in daily hygiene. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. A toothbrush is a small brush used for cleaning teeth. It consists of a handle and a head with bristles, which are small, brush-like fibers. Toothbrushes are essential for oral hygiene, helping to remove food particles and plaque from teeth. The toothbrush has an interesting history. It has evolved from twigs and bristles from animals in ancient civilizations to the modern plastic and nylon versions we use today. This evolution reflects changes in technology and understanding of dental health. There are several types of toothbrushes. Manual toothbrushes. These are the most common and require manual effort to clean teeth. Electric toothbrushes. These use battery power to move the bristles in various patterns. Interdental brushes. Small brushes designed to clean between teeth. Using a toothbrush is simple but important. Here's a quick guide. 1. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the brush. 2. Gently brush all surfaces of your teeth, outside, inside, and chewing surfaces. 3. Brush for at least 2 minutes, twice a day. To keep your toothbrush effective and hygienic, rinse it thoroughly after each use. Store it upright and let it air dry. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if the bristles are frayed. That's all about toothbrushes. They might be small, but they play a huge role in our daily health routine. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Remember, a clean toothbrush leads to a clean and healthy smile.